Zuhair from the Emirates.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How are you, Sheikh?
I'm fine.
Yeah, so my question is that we know that the angels do not enter a house with paintings of living creatures. So if a person says Ayatul Kursi in such a house, will he still be protected by the angels? Jazakallah khair.
Wa jazakum. First of all, the hadith that the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wassalam, Innal malaika, the angels do not enter a house that has a statue, a portrait, or a dog. The Prophet was referring to the angels of mercy, not the angels that register our good deeds and bad deeds. Such angels do not leave us no matter what we do, so that we're always and constantly under observation and record. But the angels of mercy, the angels that brings barakah, these angels, if you have a dog in your home and you love pets, you love to have your chihuahua or any type of dogs, may Allah protect us. And this is a filthy custom that has been introduced to some Muslim homes. Muslim, quote unquote, because they turned their backs to the instruction and the commands of the Prophet ﷺ, neglecting that anyone, as the Prophet said ﷺ, who keeps a dog in his home that is not a shepherd dog or a dog of protection or a dog that is used for hunting or game, Allah would deduct the reward from his good deeds equivalent to Mount Uhud, the mountain of Uhud, every single day. So imagine, maybe you won't do good deeds that mount to the size of Mount Uhud in a whole year. You get deducted every single day for that. May Allah Azza wa Jal protect us. So these are the angels of mercy. But the other angels that register your good deeds, your prayer, your Ayatul Kursi, and your bad deeds as well, they do not leave the house at all. And Allah Azza wa Jal knows.